This is the protective MagSafe Torras L1 Guardian with fold optimized stand for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. I was sent this to review, so let me show you a closer look. The case, 2 screen protectors, installation cleaning kits, manual with installation video QR code, the other side of the case. So let's check this one out. Ooh, wow, okay. So there's your kickstand. There's your hidden MagSafe bit. You don't see it on the outside, just on the inside. Really strong hinge right here. There is the side. It's got this nice grippy bit. You hear that? You can see it, I think. Really cool. And then this kickstand, whoop, comes out this far. Really, really strong hinge. You can adjust it and it'll stay wherever you put it all the way out to here, and that's really strong. I mean, Torras always has the best quality. Basically, I don't have one to demonstrate with this. I'm sorry guys, I really am. But basically, this will be attached to the front and the back, and then you can use it when it's folded and when it's opened. So you can utilize that full screen standing, really great for video conferencing, for streaming, for watching movies, etc. And then you can also use it when it's folded, just using like a regular phone size. You can use it vertically and horizontally this way. And then the quality of this is just amazing. And then don't forget, you've got your wireless charging, etc. you can use back here. When you're using the kickstand or when you're not using the kickstand, both, you're gonna be able to use that for wireless charging. For using with things like this MagSafe car phone mount, it's going to be really, really strong. And it's internal, so you don't see it, and it's just a really gorgeous, matte, really nice, luxurious feel. Smooth, just so nice looking and functioning. When in a folded mode, you're gonna get about a 60-degree stand. And again, you can do horizontal or vertical, and you can adjust that angle as well. Last but not least, we can't overlook the great protection this case offers with a tough TPU and TPE construction for impact resistance. 360-degree air cushion protection built into both the front and back covers, reinforced hinge protection with an anti-slip textured hinge cover, raised camera and screen bezels, precision engineered cutouts, and don't forget it comes with the 2 screen protectors as well, cut out perfectly to fit. Just really, really strong. They're gonna protect your screen but still work perfectly and feel just like your regular screen. Just an amazing case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 from Torras.